In the last episode, we built lag variables, values from the previous period. Today, we flip the logic. We're creating leads, the value from the next period, within the same country or ID. A lead is simply the value from the next time period. If GDP in 2022 is 150, the lead is GDP in 2023. Leads are used in expectations models, forward-looking variables, and dynamic panel analysis. In panel data, countries are stacked. If you shift the column up, you mix countries. We need a method that respects the panel structure, same country, next year. To find a lead, we need to locate the row where the same country appears and the next year exists. Index plus match is a clean, panel-safe formula for a lead variable. In this formula, A2A equals A2 verifies for the same country, and B2B equals B2 plus 1 verifies for the next year. Multiplying them creates a one only where both conditions are true. Match finds that row, and index returns the GDP from that row. This gives you the correct lead for each country, even when panels are stacked. Lead variables are essential for forward-looking models, expectation-based regressions, dynamic panel specifications, identifying anticipatory effects, or preparing data for econometric packages. Leads are the natural counterpart to lags. With index plus match, you can build them safely for any panel dataset. No shifting, no misalignment, no errors across countries. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.